2 days straight. I miss going out.
Look, I know we can't go out, but we can pretend to go out with the new Headspace immersive meditation.
What's that?
It's a new product from Headspace where they send you a kit to go along with their meditations to make you feel like you've been transported somewhere else.
Okay, cool. I'll try it.
Okay, you get set to meditate and I'll read the instructions.
Okay.
Welcome to Headspace Immersive Experience, the great outdoors. Throughout our time together, you will be transported to a few relaxing moments outside in nature. Visualize that you are in an open field near a forest, lying on a blanket. A wind blows through the trees, bringing the tranquil scent to you.
Ooh, smells like pine trees.
It mingles with the smell of rain, which looms in the gray, heavy clouds overhead. A light rain begins to descend.
Ooh, that's refreshing. That's nice.
Oh no. It seems that you placed your blanket too close to a fire ant mound and have disturbed them. An army of tiny ants approach you and strike with their stings.
Ow, 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 ow! What is that?
It's what the instructions say to do.
Okay, ow!
Overhead, a majestic eagle soars through the sky.
Did that fake meditation eagle just shit on me?
Yes.
Nature is constantly changing, evolving, just as the weather overhead does. Pit-pat, pit-pat. From above, hail begins to pelt the ground.
Ow! Ah! Stop. Please stop. Please stop it.
Not too far away, a wild animal frolics. It pauses. It takes a moment to relieve itself, the scent of excrement mingling with the wild, fresh air.
Did they put poop in the box?
No, but there were instructions. Just give me a sec.
Headspace Immersive Experience, a safe way to leave your house.